You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. Low phosphate po ako, lactulose, low phosphate, spironolactone Lasix, Diflam lozenges for the throat, ayoko ako lang gagaling. Naiiyak ako. I was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians there. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero masakit sa akin na namamatay yung mahihirap natin. Everything I do for you. Ako na nga pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked BBM. I never attacked Neri. I never attacked Pico. I am nice to them. I interviewed them.